Appeal. 1. To make a serious or formal request. 2. To be attractive or interesting.
We have appealed to all our friends around the world, including the United States, to come to our aid and assistance.
And as much as your invitation might appeal to me, I must regretfully decline.
Addict. A person who cannot stop doing or using something.
Is a morphine addict who incurred the displeasure of powerful people, including your masked friend.
Oh, I see. Is this coming from my role model mother? The shoplifter, the drug addict, the porn star?
Wary. Not completely trusting or certain about something or someone.
You know, I was a little wary of bringing these veterans of Iwo Jima to tour your school, but I see my fears were unfounded.
Thank you.
You need at least 16 pigs to finish the job in one sitting, so be wary of any man who keeps a pig farm.
Aware. Having knowledge or experience of a particular thing.
Be quiet! Don't you think I'm aware of the situation? I was up all night trying to find it.
I did a simple calculation.
And though it may forever be obscure to me, I cannot but be aware of its power.
Misfortune. Bad luck, or an unlucky event.
Am I to blame for every misfortune on this earth?
I'm sorry to hear about your misfortune, but we're not allowed to return gambling losses.
Where?
Avoid. To stay away from someone or something.
You have to get out of the city immediately and avoid the authorities.
To frighten a child is the point of a scare. If you frighten the teen, then scare her beware. Okay, scare the little kid. Avoid the teenager.
Wretched. Extremely bad or unpleasant, miserable.
Telling them I'm a twisted, wretched child molester. Agreeing to anything they want from me.
Your wretched peace treaty will not save you now.
Keg. A small barrel usually used for storing beer or other alcoholic drinks.
I'll tell you what, you knock it down a couple of notches this time, and I'll swap out my Belgian for a keg of Corona.
Hi, Homer. Thanks for inviting me to your barbecue.
Whoa, Barney, you brought a whole beer keg.
Yeah, what can I...
Nourish. 1. To provide people or living things with food. 2. To keep a feeling, idea, or belief strong.
Together, we believe that what the illusion of supremacy has destroyed, the truth of equality can nourish.
Alone in her chamber, the princess prepares to take her own life.
It is far better to nourish worms than to live without love.
She reaches.
Harsh. Unkind or cruel.
Do you actually want to face this cold, harsh world without a high school diploma? I mean, why don't...
Here in the Mojave Desert, animals have had millions of years to adapt to the harsh environment. But the lizard, he's going to die.
Quantity. The amount or number of something.
Quality minimum, quantity maximum.
Biochemically no different than eating large quantities of chocolate.
Opt. To make a choice.
If you opt for transplant surgery, that is your choice.
Mr. Schoenberg, you too were offered the opportunity to do so, but you have opted to present the introductory points of your argument orally as well.